Sundskeet ja lintupuiston pihaan menty.
Yes, and today is the 30th of September 2021, and this is the last day of September this year. We have Ollinojankatu 9 staircase, but this is probably the only staircase with an elevator in this residential building.
Yeah.
There is a staircase B, but it probably doesn't have an elevator. The capacity is 4 persons or 325 crowns. Let's see when it was built. It was built in 1992 by Otis with Series 1 fixtures, turning 30 years old in the next year, 2022. And the serial number is B1D1246, and it's going to be inspected in 2023. And faster, so this is amazing.
Yeah.
And this is Lintulampi in Finland, Finland in Tampere.
Yeah.
One of the suburbs here, where they're also going to build the light rail line by 2024.
Yeah. Or not Lintulampi, I think, but we have to check it later.
Yeah,
The name,
but not far from it.
And the designs are at Niemen Ranta, and this has probably third name, but
it's probably not Lintulampi.
Yeah, it might be Lintulampi, but I will check it.
Yes, try and try.
Expected parkki-wise. Maybe about this on our scrap this.
That's it, thank you very much for watching.
That's